everyone! How's your day? I'm so excited today because right now I'm at GMF or Garuda Maintenance Facility. This is the place where Garuda Indonesia maintain all of their aircrafts to be in good condition, or we can say perfect condition or prime condition. Let's check it out!
Garuda Maintenance Facility AirAsia or GMF is a maintenance, repair, and overhaul company MRO for aircrafts of Garuda Indonesia and others. Not just certified by USA FAA, GMF also secured 2 more ratings for the European Aviation Safety Agency EASA and Indonesia Director General of Civil Aviation DGCA. Awesome! Here, all Garuda Indonesia aircraft treat periodic services, both heavy and light maintenance. This maintenance is intended to allow all Garuda Indonesia aircrafts eligible to fly and can operate in prime condition.
Guys, here we are at the hangar. But before we explore a little bit more about this hangar, I already made an appointment with Pak Ardesa. He's one of the GMF employees, so let's go meet him.
To manage the maintenance schedule, there's a section called the Maintenance Control Center MCC. This is a place for officers to control the oversees the condition of each aircraft so that it can be determined what type of maintenance needed by the aircraft.
Pak Awan, I finally found you. Oh my God. I was lost, Pak, because there are so many hangars here, right? Oh, okay. So what is the function of this hangar?
The function of the hangar is the narrow body.
Narrow body.
Ya, untuk pesawat berbadan kecil.
Can you explain to us about the schedule maintenance in GMF?
Ya, daily check itu setiap hari. Kemudian kalau A-check itu adalah antara 400 sampai 600 ya. Kemudian untuk C-checknya adalah 6.000 sampai 8.000. Atau di checknya 12.000 sampai 20.000.
Wow, that's so amazing. Pak Awan, can you show me around this hangar?
Garuda Indonesia aircrafts into the hangar doing light, moderate to severe maintenance. There are daily and weekly basis maintenance. Other than that, it can be determined based on flight hours each plane. Wow, very complex yet very interesting. These maintenance are intended to all Garuda Indonesia aircraft can fly in safety condition to provide safe and comfort for the passengers.
Sampai ketemu lagi. Sampai ketemu lagi, Pak. Iya, Pak. Mari, Pak. Hi, Pak. How are you? Wow. Okay, guys, Pak Jumadi will be my tour guide here. Right, Pak. Yep. Let's go, Pak. Let's go.
This is assembly and disassembly area. The large aircraft engines are stripped into small parts to be repaired. After repair, the parts are assembled back to the complete engines. I thought this room was very interesting. Since that I highly clean and orderly. Before release to service, the engines have to go through the process of testing to ensure the engine is operating properly and meet the customer requirement.
Pak Jumadi, this is so big, Pak. What is this,
this
Pak?
is the biggest engine actually that we
engine.
operate for Garuda. We call this engine GE90.
GE90.
That operates in the Boeing 777.
Wow.
Yeah. But I think you would be more amazed if we go to the test cell, because in the test cell we can run this engine.
Okay, right. Oh my God. So these things work? What, Pak Jumadi? So all of this is a test cell, right?
That's right.
That's right. Okay. So can you explain what is this place called?
So we call this building as the test cell building. We use this building for testing the engine. After we repaired the engines or APU that come from our engine shop.
Now I already in the test cell. The engine is moved to the engine test chamber for testing.
This is our test chamber. We call it test chamber.
Wow.
The engine test chamber is constructed of special material which is extremely strong and soundproof. In the test chamber, aircraft engines switched from low to high speeds, around 800 km per hour when flying. Wow!
So this is the closer view of the engine that we test. And we tested by some operators that stand by in the room that we say the console room. We have limitation for the operators that can be here. Just in the idle speed, the operator can be here. But it should be used with the ear plug because the engine will be so noisy and it will break your hearing if you're not using that ear plug.
During the engine test, except when idle speed, no one is allowed to enter the chamber room. Therefore, they can control and see the performance of the engine from the console room, which is located right next to the engine chamber. Garuda Indonesia, through the Garuda Maintenance Facility, GMF, is very concerned about the quality and safety of aircrafts. It is intended to maintain all of the aircrafts and provide a sense of safe and comfort to the passengers. So, fly with us, Garuda Indonesia, the airlines of Indonesia.